Okay, we're headed to Elizabethton today, which is all the way up in the northeast corner of Tennessee, so up towards Virginia and North Carolina, that corner. And it's about 6:30 in the morning. The sun's just coming up. Not sure if you can see those mountains in the background. Pretty nice though. We're in Greenville, Tennessee now. Got a red light coming up. Headed east towards the mountains. Like a helicopter over here. See if we can
stay in the right lane.
Headed towards Bristol. Pretty nice area. Pretty nice view these people have. Can you imagine waking up to that view minus the power lines? We've entered a country road here.
Arrive at your destination. Arrived.
Supposedly. Heading up into the holler. Okay, it's turned into a dirt road. That's unexpected. Taking a hike to the falls. Plus her glasses. Go this way, I guess. There's the falls. Kidding. Looks like we're entering a laurel thicket here. Or rhododendron. I think these are rhododendrons. Jesus. Walking on these roots. Not easy. Crazy. Okay, we just came from there. We're going down here. Okay, I'm now going to tackle these steps. It's much easier going up. Definitely not the best steps, but it's a lot easier than climbing up without them. I took a picture of that. Okay, we're gonna keep going up this way. Some serious roots. I think it would be impossible to climb up this with the dirt bike. These roots are so slippery. think I've ever seen roots like this before. Pretty steep too. So we did the waterfall, and now I might do a cave. Whew. A bit of a hike. Look at the view these people have. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. A little hazy today, but pretty nice mountains. Back in this holler. Gotta watch out for dogs and kids.